What's up, guys? We have an exciting night tonight. Mr. Rob Kearney has made his way to Colorado, and we've got some deadlifts.
Yeah, first time here in Colorado.
Is it really?
Yeah.
Wow, I didn't know that.
Yeah, been all over the world, never been to Colorado.
Well, I don't know why not. It's the best state there is.
I mean,
yeah. Or at least my opinion. I live here, so whatever, yeah. So right now, Rob is actually getting ready for the Arnold. We are 3 weeks?
Yeah,
3 weeks out. So this is actually one of his last big pulls. And so what we're gonna set up for him is, actually I've got the Hummer tire deadlift bar, and we're gonna pull that out and get that set up, kind of the setup that I used to train for the Arnold Classic, basically, and I'll try to help him out with that. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna stay with some effort deadlifts versus bands, just with the power bar. So I felt like this would be a little bit better. Obviously, I'm not training for a big max deadlift right now, not doing the Arnold, but I also, you know, going for Rob, we can get your weight set up, then he can make his calls, take the time that he wants in between the pulls, because this is very important for him. So I'm gonna try to help him as much as I can with what I've learned in my training leading up to the Arnold for the elephant bar there, and hopefully have an awesome night.
Yeah, I'm excited. You know,
Yeah.
atmosphere, everything. That's why I came out here for the trip. Just try to get some pointers and pull something big.
Yeah, I'm excited, man. It's gonna be a good night. I've got a good feeling.
For sure.
We're gonna throw some big weight up and make it happen. Ready?
Let's do it.
All right. There it is. Good.
Nice.
Yeah, good. Good job.
Good.
Up.
Nice job. Let's get it. Good. Come on, work. Good job. Nice.
Nice and tight, nice and tight. Make it easy.
Come on, big power here. Let's get it.
Focus. Come on.
Go. Go.
Step up.
Nice. Yeah.
Good.
Bounce. Good.
Easy. Let's go.
Get it.
Good.
Nice job.
How does it flex?
Nice. Yeah.
I mean, you're definitely getting a little bit there, but does it feel like too much?
No.
Okay.
Actually, I like the whip at the top.
Okay.
I feel like that's going to emulate it.
I think so. Yeah.
Especially if I'm going to pitch it.
Yes.
I need to get used to feeling that shake.
100%. And it'll start to shake more now.
Yeah.
Depending on you want to know another plate.
Yeah.
Okay. That'll be perfect, man. It looks great though.
Yeah, feels good.
Your position is good. Like nothing. So a lot more in the tank.
Hope so.
Yeah, yeah. No, I'm telling you, I can see it, yeah. The contest, the crowd, the atmosphere, start to visualize. Every rep is perfect now. Get that all in your head.
Let's go, Rob.
See it and feel it. This is
Go.
just
Come on, Rob.
like the contest.
Get it.
Nice and tight.
Work. Big power. Let's
Lock
go.
this in. Lock it in.
Come on. Come on.
Easy. Good. Stay tight. Stay tight. Let's go. Boom. Good. Good job. It's good. Good. It's awesome. Good
Sir, go in. Let's go, big man. Easy work. Let's go. Let's go. Go, big power. got this.
Let's get this down and make it easy.
Let's go. Come on, work.
Set yourself, big breath, nice and tight. Easy up.
Come on.
Yes.
Nice.
Good pull. Good pull, really. Very strong right now. How does a flex feel with that extra plate?
It feels good. Yeah, it's definitely more
Getting a
than
little
what
bit
we're
more.
getting in the sevens. Yeah,
Okay.
it's
You'll
definitely
start to
kicking
feel that more. I mean, it depends on if you want to. We can obviously bump it in just a touch, but
Yeah, no, I think we're good with where it's at.
see that again. With this bar, it's a misconception. That bar does not flex a lot.
Yeah.
It's just because when you load more plates, the visual effect, because it's 14 feet long.
Yeah.
It just looks like it's bending further than it actually is.
For sure.
So you're getting a lot of the weight, and I mean, if you were to go in slow mo, you could see each plate almost coming off the ground as you go. So I think it's right in that ballpark, man. I mean, it's right in that ballpark of where you want to be. I mean, the elephant bar off the floor might give a little bit less, but it's gonna flex still, and it's trying to equate that from a 14 foot to a 9 foot bar.
Yeah.
It's like you could bang your head against something.
Try it. Yeah.
But if you're strong, especially like you said, if you're strong in the bottom and you're strong through that mid range, and if the lockout for you, if we can get that lockout to happen, that's where you need to be.
Let's go. Yep. Get it. Come on.
Easy reps. Come on.
Get it. Let's go. Good. Good. Nice job. Time to go. Oh. Get it. Nice. Good. That was easy.
Good job.
Looks like an RP 5.
Come on.
Come on. Let's go.
Set it in.
Work, Pete. Yeah. Come on. Time to get it. Make it happen. Let's go. Let's go.
Yes. Come on.
Good. Get it.
Nice.
Come on. Get it, Rob.
It's easy.
All right, let's go. On the board.
Step up.
Come on, get it.
Set yourself.
Let's go. Come on.
One time, Rob. Yeah.
Oh,
Yes.
yeah.
It's horrible.
There is no mirror in the bathroom, so it's
Sure. It's coming. It's coming. I'm sorry, but there's a mirror also being custom done for the front, so you just have to come back.
that's
Yeah.
good excuse. That's just for the mirrors.
Yes, of course, yeah. And they will be perfectly done. I told the guy to make them mirrors that you look big and not fat.
Oh, perfect. Yeah.
The guy was like kind of weirded out by the
That's-
questions, but
I don't-
I was like, who doesn't ask these questions, really? You know? Yeah.
Let's go.
Right now.
Come on. Let's see it. Yes. Come on, go, B. Sir. Let's get it.
Another. Yes.
There you go. Go, Rob. Let's go.
Give me some.
Come on, big power. Let's see it.
Pull it.
Come on.
Ready? So you got right there.
Yeah.
And then once you got to where you knew you could do that, then it went.
Kick it in. Yeah.
Yeah. It's good, man. Coming off the floor, I mean, it's exactly what you're gonna have to do. You know,
Yeah.
like it's gonna be just be ready for a little bit of grind off the floor.
Yeah.
But I mean, here's the deal, man. You and I both know what the numbers on that event. If you're in the even in the mid to upper nines, and again, when you get there, you can be strategic about what calls you make.
Yeah.
Because you know, 950 might get you 2 more points. 970 might get you another point or 2.
Yeah.
You know, so there's all those little battles in between, you know.
For sure.
Obviously 1,000 is a heck of a mark.
Yeah.
And will probably get you in that top 3 or 4,
Yeah.
you know. But again,
Also,
you know,
play it smart.
yeah, if 980 or 975 is going to get you another point or 2,
Yeah.
boom. you
Or
know.
if even that does the same as 1,000.
Exactly.
If, you know, pulling 1,000 doesn't change that place.
Well, and here's the deal. I mean, if you're telling me already what you've done the last 3 weeks, coming into this, it's not like your body is prepared to do its biggest
No,
effort
God, no.
either, right? So you can grind through this tonight.
Yeah.
That's a good mental spot, right? Because you haven't even started the peak
No.
for the contest, right? So all those are super positive
Yeah.
things, you know. You walk in and do this, it's like just another feather in your
Another
cap.
day. Yeah.
And then you get to step up and know that fatigued, not prepped, not 100% ready to pull big. You're still doing this.
Yeah.
That's huge, man.
Yeah.
I love it.
Appreciate it, man.
Good
Thanks.
stuff, man.
Come on, Ron. You got this. Easy. Easy. Let's go, big man. Let's go. Let's go.
Nice. Fast. Come on.
Come on.
Yes.
Yeah.
Come on, B.
Go. Yeah.
Go.
Oh, there we go.
Got another. Come on.
Come on.
Yes.
There we go. Good job. Big man. Let's go. Make it happen. Come on.
Let's go.
Let's see it. Let's go.
Work
Let's
now.
go.
Come on.
Onward. Come on, let's see. Let's go. Yeah. Nice. Get it. Come on. Get it. Everybody. Go, man. Got it. Get it. Let's go.
Cause I'm the type of dude that's becoming contagious. I'm the type of dude that will always be ageless. I'm the type of dude that will always feel shameless. I'm the type of dude that they say is fucking heinous. Cause I'm the type of dude that you know is fucking dangerous.
Wrapping up the training session, and overall, I think it was pretty fun.
It was great.
Yeah. I mean, obviously, the deadlift was huge. I think that put Rob in a great spot mentally going into the Arnold. I mean, this is one of your last heavy pulls.
Yeah, I already sent Derek all the videos, so
Yeah.
next week we're going to be in the low 8s.
That's perfect.
High 7s, low 8s, just for some reps. So this was the last heavy pull I'll do.
Yeah, it's
Ohio.
right, definitely right in the mix. I mean, with the guys at the Arnold, it's going to be very competitive in that kind of mid 900 range, you know. And then it depends on who can get to that upper 900, closer to 1,000 or pull 1,000. And I mean, that would be awesome to see too. I know that's kind of in the back of your head.
Absolutely.
Pulling 1,000 pounds
Yeah.
there, so
Milestone number.
yeah. And then after that, we did some power runner training for the Wheel of Pain. You know, I knew that would suck, so I decided to jump in with Rob and
Appreciate it.
give him some company on that one. Try to push him a little bit on those sets, but that's very much a quad pump, which is very similar to the Wheel of Pain. When you do that, your legs just get so pumped. It's not hard to push, but you have to continuously push it. So I think hopefully it has some good carryover.
That hurt.
Yes, yes.
I was telling you, like before, I've been doing pushing my car with the emergency brake on, and that's hard, but I could do it for the 60 seconds, and the power push for 30 was killer. I mean, one of the worst quad pumps I've had, but I definitely see the transition into.
I think it'll carry over.
Yeah.
I hope it does. You can think of me when you're doing that.
I was gonna say, if it doesn't, I'll blame you.
Yes. Why the hell did I do that?
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. So anyway, I think we both need to get some food in. We need to get some rest, and then we've got a lot more training to get done.
Yeah.
So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. For now, go on and be great, and we'll check you guys later.